Hello, today we will guide you through how to use promo codes on JoyaGoo. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the coupon section on JoyaGoo and explain how promo codes and available coupons are handled on your account. This is a quick process, but it helps to know exactly where to look so you can make sure any available savings are connected to your account before you place an order. To begin, go to the JoyaGoo website. Once the home page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main site and that the page has fully opened. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings and coupon information. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile account icon. This area is where JoyaGoo keeps account-related options, so if you need to manage personal settings, orders, or account benefits, like coupons, this is the place to start. If the page looks slightly different on your device, just look for the account or profile symbol near the top right navigation area. After opening the profile menu, click on My Account. This will take you into your account dashboard where you can view details connected to your JoyaGoo profile. Depending on the layout, you may see several sections here, but for this tutorial, the main goal is to reach the page where your coupon information is displayed. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to see the available coupons connected to your account. The important thing to know here is that all coupons shown on this page will automatically be used when you make a purchase on JoyaGoo, as long as they apply to your order. In other words, you do not need to manually enter them during checkout if they're already listed in your account. That can make the process much easier and helps reduce the chance of missing out on a discount. It's a good idea to review this page before buying, especially if you're planning a larger order. That way, you can confirm what coupons are available and understand that they should be applied automatically when eligible. And that's it. You've now seen how to access your account, locate your coupons, and understand how promo code savings work on JoyaGoo.